Now that spring is here, many of us cannot wait to enjoy the outdoors. Here to talk about how to make the most out of America's trails is Vice President of Communications at Rails to Trails Conservancy, Brandi Horton. Hi, Brandi. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
This year's Celebrate Trails Day aligns with Earth Day. How can we take part in celebrating it?
April 22nd is a big day this year. It doesn't happen every year that Celebrate Trails Day aligns with Earth Day. And so it is a great moment for people across the country to get outside, to enjoy the nation's exceptional trails, and really be part of what is a demonstration of the impact that trails make for people, places, and the planet. They can walk, do a bike ride, participate in a cleanup, or really just get out and enjoy nature. By being out on the trails, you are sending a message that this infrastructure and these spaces matter to you.
Where can we go for more information?
More information at railstotrails.org. That's where you can find events. There's more than 100 events happening across the country. You can also find information about trails near you and places where you can get out and be active with our Trail Link app. And you can get tips and ideas for things to do. So if you're new to trails and you're not quite sure how to get out there in those spaces, there's tons of resources at railstotrails.org. And if you do get out, we hope you'll share with us on social, tag at railstotrails, #Celebrate Trails Day. And we hope to see you out there.
Thanks, Brandi.
Thank you.